And now we'll see how you can combine two batches into one lecture in case of online lectures. Now, to do that, first of all, you need to go to online lectures. And now you can see I have one physics lecture at 4 p.m. Now let's say, and this is for my batch JV1. Now I want to add one more batch to the same because because this is an online lecture, I can have a multiple batches to be conducted at one go. Now to do that, you can click on this add batch button and this will populate the rest of the detail for this particular lecture. You just need to select, okay, which batch do you want to add in the same schedule. And again, you have to manually make sure that you select the same subject as well, physics, and click on save. Now, when you do that, it will just combine these two. So you can see JV1, JV2, they both have the same meeting ID. In this case, it's ending with 001, 001. So that means there is just one schedule, which is one Zoom meeting where both the batches JV1, JV2 student will connect, and it will go back to single professor who can start the lecture. So this is how you can add as many batches as in this particular lecture. However, there are also an option if you have more than two, or basically take an example, you want to add 10 batches to this particular schedule. There is also an option for add multiple batches. When you click here, it will just present up the entire list that what all batches you can add, and you can choose whichever you want to add here. So let's say I want to add these 3 more batches in the same lecture. Click on it and click on save. So by that way, you can see, let me go back to online lecture, and you can see all of these lectures are part of the single Zoom meeting, which is 001. You can check it here. So this particular professor is going to teach all of these batches together in one lecture. All right, so this is how you can add as many batches as needed in the single online lecture. Thanks for watching.